Hello students, let us try to calculate the work done in isothermal reversible expansion of ideal gas. So work done in isothermal reversible expansion of ideal gas. So total work done on the gas in finite step is equal to sum of all infinitesimal work done in each step. So that is infinitesimal work done means small work done. So W is equal to that is minus summation of P delta V with change in infinitesimal pressure means a small change in the pressure system, the volume decreases by infinitesimal amount, that is dv. Then the total work done in steps, from v final, okay, to v2 is given by, okay, v final to v2 is given by what is w is equal to, that is, no here is the negative, integration of the v initial minus v final, that is lower limit to upper limit p external delta v. In reversible process the change can be reversed at any moment. Okay, so pb plot when pressure is not constant, the change in infinite state reversible condition during the compression from the initial volume vi to final volume vf, work done on the gas represented by the area under the curve. So whatever the area they are there, this is the work done area under the curve. So that is, here is the up now PV plot when pressure is not constant and the change in finite step during the compression from the initial volume Vi to the Vf, work done on the gas represented by under the curve. So these are the under the curve area, right? Now student, what we have to do here in this process, that is the derived relation, or that is w reversible is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log v2 minus v2 upon v1. If you are writing that is in the term of pressure, so minus 2.303 nRT log p1 minus p1 upon p2. Okay students, now let us see that is what are the questions, probable question. Derive the expansion for the work obtained in isothermal reversible expansion of ideal gas. So here we are going to derive the work done for the reversible isothermal expansion of ideal gas. Let us consider n mole of ideal gas enclosed in the cylinder fitted with a weightless and frictionless piston. Okay, so here we have the 1 mole of the ideal gas and we are fitted this with the piston. Okay, and this piston is movable piston. The work of expansion for a small change of the volume dv against the external pressure p. So we have the external pressure p and a small change in the volume is dv. So dw is equal to what? P delta v. Okay, so in this case w is equal to what, student? D small work done dw is equal to minus p and small change in volume, that is p delta v. Total work done when the gas expand from the initial to final. So what is w is equal to integration sign minus integration b I up lower limit to v2 p delta v, p dv. For ideal gas, we know PV is equal to nRT, so P is equal to nRT by V. So at the place of P, we are putting this nRT by V. So what we will be able to get, student, whatever the constant are there, nRT V we are taking out, and integration Bi V2 and delta dV upon V. We know that is dV upon integration dV upon B is equal to what we write, student, log V. Okay, log V, or you can write, okay, log delta v. Okay, now student, now what we will be able to do for this one, we remove the integration side. Okay, so integration sign, so what we will be able to get here if we are removing the, so that is log. Okay, here is b is there, student, lower limit minus lower limit upper limit, you can say. So ln v lower upper limit, so that is w is equal to nrt ln b2 minus ln v1. Okay, so w is equal to minus nrt ln b2 upon b1. So that is simple, ln a minus ln b is equal to what, student? That is ln a by b, simple formula. So that is log, if you are converting ln into log, So what we can, you multiply by 2.303. So here conversion factor minus 2.303 nRT log V2 upon V1. It is there, that is first work done. At constant temperature, if you talking about P1 upon P2 is V1, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So V2 upon V1 is equal to what? P1 upon P2. This one. So therefore W is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log P1 upon P2. This is the equation. So equation 1, 2 are the expansion for the work obtained in an isothermal reversible expansion of an ideal gas. Okay. So this was the equation. There is the same question again asked. Derive the expression for work done in reversible expansion of ideal gas. Let us consider n mole of ideal gas enclosed in cylinder fitted with a wetless and frictionless piston. The work of the expansion for a small change of volume dV against the external pressure P is given by dW is equal to minus P dV. So total work done when the gas expands from the initial to final volume. So W is equal to what? That is integration, you will get, that is negative sign P dV, and V1 to V2 limits P is equal to what? nRT by V. So you will get this expression, and this nRT are common, so nRT is taken out, and integration type of the V1 V2 1 by V dV. So 1 by V dV we can write that is V, and it will be that is V1 and V final. So that is what we can, here it will ln will come. So ln, that is V2 minus V2 upon V1 will come, student. Now at constant temperature P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. So this expression you will got means V2 upon V1 is equal to P1 upon P2. So W is equal to minus 2.303 nRT P1 upon P2. This expression. Okay. So this is a very simple, student. If you want to do, again I am doing this here, you can see small change in work in the reversible process. W is equal to minus what formula, student? P dV. Okay, small work done. So if you are integrating this, student, so W reversibly you are integrating, so what is minus I know here is P dV will come, student, but there this will be the V initial, and either you can write V1 or V final V2. अब student, dear student, W reversible is equal to what we can write, student, what we can write here, V1 V2. How we will be able to explain? So PV is equal to nRT, we know. So P is equal to, we can write nRT by V. So here we will be able to write, that is negative sign V1 V2, and here is nRT by V and dV. Okay, so here is what, student, that is integration sign. So V1 and V2 and nRT are the common, nRT are common. So here is negative sign nRT, let it be common, so before, and here is dV upon V. So what will be there, student? Minus nRT, and here integration, if you are removing the integration sign, so it will come ln and delta B, and this will be V1 and V2. So we can also write here W is equal to minus nRT and ln what is V2 minus V1 we can write. So here will be, that is what, student, if you are removing the this ln sign, so ln sign if you are removing, student, so it will come log. So factor for the log, that is minus 2.303 nRT log what is B2 upon B1. This will be, that is work done in the isothermal reversible expansion of the gas. Okay, so this way you can derive the work done in the isothermal reversible expansion of the gas. Thank you so much for watching, friends.